Good morning.
Good morning. What a wonderful day it is.
It's beautiful.
It's nice and cool out.
Check this thing out. Ford, what is this, a giant van? I don't
It's
know.
a Transit XLT.
It's huge.
And it's fast.
So what is up, everyone? Today is the Staggered Auto Show. We've been talking about it a little bit this week, and I'm super excited. It's my favorite car show of the year. It's at Thompson Motor Speedway this year. The drift demo. RJ, there's Dunkin' Donuts right there. Yes, sir, plug in. Well, how did you almost miss that? RJ's running the merch booth. I'm super excited to see it all set up. It's a car show, and it's a drift demo, so I'm gonna be running around like crazy, but I figured we'd film a little bit of it and have a good time.
Oh, your guys' car's at a sleepover?
All right, so RJ, you gotta manage a booth.
Yes.
And you gotta manage Donald.
Yep.
You got it?
I got that.
Look at this unit. Let's get set up. Eddie, how was the drive?
Dude, I'm in love with this car.
So we got the Skyline and the Z today, very classic. I really wanted to bring the Kooky, but I had to trailer my coupe, and that car's a little rough to drive far distances. The Skyline and the Z, they're just straight boats, so they're actually really enjoyable to drive like far distances. And then I got the coupe to drift today. I'm super excited just to freaking drive the thing. I'm a little nervous because like a full-on demonstration, and I haven't, so I don't really have time to get used to the car, but I think we should be good to go. It's pretty fast right now, but the front end still feels a little crazy even after the alignment, because I realized I'm not actually running a front sway bar this season. I forgot my old sway bar actually broke. Whatever, it'll be fine. I'll get through it. It'll be a good day. I'm really excited.
Howdy.
What's up, pretty boy?
James. What's up, kid? How you doing?
How you doing?
Good morning.
How was your night?
It's great. How was yours?
Great.
Good.
He was farting all night.
You piece of shit.
Donald finally showed up, and he's not listening to anyone. He's just driving around the lot.
Didn't, yo, I'm gonna play that back. Jimmy said,
TV World! Wow! I can't play it for too long because he's playing music, but Stevie's out here DJing. Love to see it. Love it. Car shows are hard to film because of music, but we got Kooky Tony out here with his 1JZ R34. Copped a few tickets in this car last year, if you guys remember. Our car shoved everywhere. I guess originally it is a Volkswagen show, huh? Oh yeah. The drift car selection, I love it. If your drift lineup doesn't look like a car show, you're doing it wrong.
oh, Benny's here?
Damn. Steve, move your big head. He goes, okay. You don't see a drift FD and a drift Subaru next to each other very often. Love to see it.
Oh, look at that color.
That is so good.
James?
Mr. Ball?
Dude, how'd you get this?
VIP, man.
Yeah.
You having a good time?
Yeah.
Good.
What are you doing? I mean, I
Wait in the drift, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I haven't even been out here. I just made breakfast. That was it. Have fun.
Thank you. Catch you later. Bye. Oh man, something about a Ready 30 just does it for me. Damn. Car shows are weird these days. You just never know what you're gonna get. I feel like back in the day, there was like a set of like 8 vehicles, and everyone just did that.
Oh yeah.
You know?
It's the same stuff.
You get a little bit of everything these days, huh?
100%.
I mean, we got a Durango here. It looks like you freshly buffed that thing though. That thing's clean. That Durango is probably one of the cleanest cars back here. Not disrespecting the other cars, this thing's just really clean.
Detailed. Oh,
Dude, look at these, the fresh headlights.
dang.
I mean, if you're gonna pull up, you might as well pull up flossing.
The tire shine.
The tire shine. I see this guy. You know what? I appreciate someone who just appreciates having nice things.
Oh,
right?
100%.
100%. I don't care what you drive. If you treat it well, props to you. And you love it,
Yeah.
props to you. I'm getting a real soft spot for mini trucks lately. Oh, the small wheels. Oh, it's so cool. Okay. Okay. Yes, sir. That dude's making some jam, huh? Now that I'm a super guy, you know, I can appreciate a solid Mark III. Well, I guess I'm not a super guy anymore, huh? heartbreaking. Soon. Steph finally showed up.
Finally came here. I'm so excited.
So the car show's getting pretty dense, which is really nice to see. I mean, it is filled up. I haven't been filming much because we're running around talking to a lot of subscribers, just a lot of music, a lot of cool cars, and it is so refreshing to see the car scene really acting up like this, coming out and just having a good time. It's been a weird. Oh, my car.
Yeah.
That's why I was walking over
They're
here.
lining up.
Oh, looks like it's time to go drifting. I'm getting yelled at. All right, I gotta go get my car. Josh, what did you do?
Josh zigged when he should have zagged.
You pizzaed when you should have french fried. Don't worry, I forgot how to drive my first lap and a half. It's okay.
Yep, no, I locked up the fronts when I should have locked up the rears.
Surprise. Every time you fix it, it gets stronger, you know?
Yeah, even the piece that I fixed didn't break.
That's impressive. I got the cash in the truck.
Okay.
Let's go try and buy a Supra.
Okay.
Let's go find it.
Let's go find it. Come on.
There's a Supra here?
I know. Aunt said there was a red one. Sounds right down my alley.
Let's hunt it.
I know I haven't shown many cars, but nothing beats a really clean Corrado. With a 1.8 in it, this car must be so fun. Oh, the red's so good.
It's a red Corrado. I feel like this is
I have a soft spot for them.
You do.
For sure.
It matches your shoes. It looks cute.
Oh yeah. I haven't seen a Supra anywhere. Aunt says there's a Supra here. I'm gonna take his word for it. But there's a whole lot of cars here today. What is this thing? Why does that look so cool?
What, the teddy bears?
No, just what car is this?
I don't know. It looks like a Viper, but
It looks like a Corolla and a Viper.
put together.
Toyota, guys.
Oh, we got half right.
Close.
Oh my God, no, he's got the bricks. Everything. Does it have a cage? No way, it's gonna bolt.
Lancer V.
With the Renault Teddies, everyone wish I got him. Yeah, I clickbaited that video, I'm sorry guys.
I ain't never seen one of these.
This is super cool.
I like it.
I'm still trying to find a K car for myself so I could race Donald.
Let's get it. Is it all-wheel drive? I don't know anything about this. No.
We thought it was his car the whole time. K car appreciation.
I thought it was his car. We're asking him all these questions. He's like, I don't know.
All right, we were told there's a Supra somewhere around here. And I'm really hoping, oh, I see the wing, Tony.
Oh, man.
I'm really hoping it's an NA because if it's not, then I can't afford it.
Ain't that the truth?
Dang. Targa. Sheesh.
Left-hand drive.
Is this your Supra?
Yeah, I wish.
You said this isn't your car? Yeah.
And look at,
We came up saying
it's a turbo.
can't afford it.
Can't afford it. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Super appreciation. Love it.
Jimmy, can I get a picture quick?
I just need to see his stupid head pop out.
Jimmy!
Jimmy!
Got it.
Look at these workers sitting on the job. Jimmy, this is what you're paying for right here.
What's up, man? It's been a great day.
Yeah?
We're here. I'm trying to get some clips of my buddy Jimmy.
You were rocking it on the
We were jamming today. Got a lot of good energy, man.
Oh, what a great day.
Yeah?
It's a fabulous day.
The weather was awesome.
Oh my God. There we go.
Ooh, here we
Oh,
go.
here he goes, right here.
I think you did. I fucked it up at the end, but I got some hot stuff. Definitely got some hot stuff. I don't know if you got me on that one. I slayed. I kicked ass on that one. My buddies.
They're doing good.
Holy crap, that was awesome. Oh my God, that was great.
Good day. Ant, what did you say?
Huh?
What do you say?
It was good.
Yeah? That's it? This guy's got something better to say.
It's clean. It's fast. Sideways.
All right, take 3. Come on.
Sideways.
All right, take 4.
Freaking adrenaline rush, big time.
Love seeing my bud smoke tires, bud.
There we go. That's the energy I wanted to hear.
I think Ant got him on it.
You think Ant
got
did?
It wins.
that. All the enthusiasm.
Ant has, he's usually pretty loud, you know?
Keep it down.
Keep it down, Ant.
Talks too much.
We're done.
We're out of here?
I think so.
Long day. Let's wrap it up.
All right, wrap it up. No. You
Damn, I
gotta
always
end
wanted to
it.
do
You gotta
it.
end it.
Oh, I can really end it?
Yeah, let's do it right
This is
here.
an honor. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. He better use that one.
All right, Jesse, closer. Come on, what you think?
Hey guys! Today was a great day filled with great vibes and great energy. Great weather as well.
I'll drop it off next time.
Is that all right?
Patty, check out this car. What'd you think?
I don't know what it is.
It's a Toyota.
Sunday.
I see you rocking that.
Lowered, maybe?
No. This is drag car, I think, where you just go hard. Look at the collar. That's a.
I love the interior. That's a straight 6. That's an M52.
S52.
S?
M came in the non-M cars, S was the S cars.
After hours
Yeah.
with
Okay,
patio.
so
This
this
is
is an S.
Performance
52.
everything. Look how big
Yeah.
the turbo is. It's as big as your head.
Oh, this is pretty.
Oh, beautiful.
I love the color too. The stripes,
You know what this
the
is?
BBS wheels
This needs those
too.
air shots.
Have you opened one of these, Patty?
I only got this.
Open it and tell me your fortune.
Okay. Knock, knock.
Uh-oh.
Knock, knock.
Knock, knock, what?
You're supposed to say who's
there?
40 PSI.
Ooh, that's high. That's high. We'll see. I see you. I know. I've been looking for him all day.
You got the camera out?
Yeah.
I was wondering where that was. So we got some good laps at the end.
Go this way.
Josh was going, Brian was going. I had to be a little hesitant because Josh was all over the place. You probably saw that. I had a good time though. It was great. I definitely got a lot more use of the car at the end of the day. I mean, I haven't driven the car a lot, and in the beginning, I felt like I had never drifted before, and it's kind of embarrassing, but so be it.
No, you got into it.
I want to lower the tire pressure so bad because the car's still a little slow, but the clutch is still slipping. We talked about it. So like that first event, it slipped, and that was totally my fault. It's not the clutch's fault. So I actually had too much preload on the clutch pedal because I was scared about blowing out my internal sleeve, and so it caused me to roast the clutch. And once you roast the clutch, it's kind of no good.
So you gotta do another one?
Yeah, that was definitely my fault, which
Okay.
sucks. But
You got time.
yeah. But I think with the new fish adapter kit, I could actually pull the tranny in the car versus actually pulling the whole engine, which is fantastic. So it was a good day. I don't know how much footage we got. We didn't get much car stove footage
No,
at all.
it's good.
The music's so loud, it's just even hard. But
We got the footage at the very end with Josh.
yeah,
That was cute.
Yeah, that was good.
No, it was good. It was good.
was
We
good.
got Patty, we got some few people in the background.
Oh, you got some footage
Stevie
for me?
and Jesse. I don't know if you'll enjoy it, but
No, you're gonna do great. Look at you looking all cute.
it's hot out
It is hot. I gotta load this thing up. I'm tired. Let's go get some food. So we're gonna end it there. Hope you guys like the video. The events are hard. I feel like the videos is just like, if we get some footage, we get some footage. So I hope you guys still enjoyed it. But
we have a bunch of closers already.
do you really?
Yeah. Jesse, Stevie.
Let's load up, drink a bunch of water, get some food, go home, edit this video, and repeat.
And repeat. Yeah.
Yes, it should. There you go.
Man. It's good to see you.
It is. It is very nice. I love seeing the two together.
What
I'm gonna stop rambling. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and have a good night.